Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss a question related to the cancer and especially what are the warning signs of cancer or how to identify whether based on the symptoms whether the client have cancer or not. So we'll go with the question. We'll start with the question. A nurse is screening clients at a community health event. Which of the following client statements should the nurse recognize as a warning sign of cancer? Select all that apply. So, the nurse is conducting a screening in the community health, and while she is screening, she found some clients with some certain signs and symptoms. Out of this, which of the options or which all the clients who might show some of the warning signs of cancer? So that is the question. We'll see the options. Option 1 says, for the past few years, I get a productive cough in the winter that goes away in spring. Option 2, I occasionally have heartburn and hover after I eat fried foods and sausage. Option 3, last month when I was doing my breast self-examination, I noticed a marble-sized lump. Option 4, my mole is itchy and the border have become uneven with a blackish to bluish color, which means changing the color. Option 5, recently I have noticed that my bowel movements appear black. So what do you think, which all are the correct statements out of this? Or which all are the clients with particular findings should consider further interventions for identifying the cancers or warning signs of cancers? We'll study first. What do you mean by cancer? I know all of you have an idea, just refresh. It is a growth of the unusual growth of the abnormal cells, not the normal cells, abnormal cells in an organ system that impair the organ's function and spread to other parts of the body or throughout the body. Many cancers are invasive and life-threatening if it is not diagnosed early or if it is not receive any proper treatment in the early stage. So it is very important to do the screening and identify the cancer findings or identify at the early stage. Earlier identification is the best prevention and increase the prognosis of cancer. Improve the prognosis. Cancer is often difficult to identify early as the client may be asymptomatic or have only vague symptoms. We said that it is very important to identify the cancer at the earliest stage. That will improve the prognosis and also the quality of life also will be good. But why we couldn't? Because most of the time the initial stage will be like asymptomatic or with some vague symptoms. So even though sometimes during screening it will not be identifiable. So we'll see what are the warning signs of cancer. We will mention like a simple word or a short word like caution. So in each, let us start with a symptom. Nurses should screen clients for and immediately report warning signs of cancer, which can be remembered with a mnemonic called caution. So what do you mean by first one? C. Change in bowel or bladder habits. So for a period of time or the client bowel or bladder habits changed. That is C. Now A sore that does not heal. Then U, unusual bleeding or discharge from body orifice. Then now we study CAU. Then next one is T, thickening or a lump in the breast or elsewhere. Then next one is I, indigestion or difficulty in swallowing that does not go away. See, here you should understand, suddenly a client came with indigestion or difficulty swallowing for 1 or 2 days. That is not That might be something else. We should do the further investigation. If for a long time the client have problem with indigestion, difficulty swallowing, and some other gastric problems, then we should further investigate. Then next one is called obvious change in a wart or mole. Before we said that, see, some clients they might have mole and that will be change. There will be an obvious change. Then seventh one or the next, the N indicates nagging cough or hoarseness. So we'll repeat once more, caution. First one is C. C indicates change in bowel or bladder habits. Then a sore that does not heal. Then U, unusual bleeding or discharge from body orifice. Then T, that is thickening or lump in any parts of the body elsewhere. I, indigestion or difficulty in swallowing. And TIO means obvious change in a wart or mole. Then N means nagging or hoarseness. So please try to understand. If you couldn't able try to by heart, this is very important, not only in terms of exam, in our day-to-day professional life it is very necessary to study. So please study this one, and I hope now you got some idea. Now we will come back to our question. So here says, for the past few years I get productive cough in the winter that goes away in spring. Does that look like a warning sign or look like something related to cancer? No, because it's usually come during that climatic change period and it will go. Like winter, client have the productive cough, and when the spring will come, it is like a seasonal infection. So that we couldn't consider like a warning sign for cancer. Then option 2, I occasionally have heartburn an hour after I eat fried fruits and sausage. See, here itself this mention the reason of this problem. This is like a gastroesophageal reflux disease. And usually when it will happen, when the client will have more sausage or fried foods, that is usual thing that we couldn't consider like a warning sign of cancer. But if the client have this indigestion or persistent swallowing or a long period of this problem, then we will further investigate. But for some time, whenever they'll have a fried foods or sausage, we can leave it. So now we have eliminated option 1 and option 2. We'll come back to option 3. Last month when I was doing my breast self-examination, I noticed a marked size lump. See here, what is that? Thickening or a lump in breast or elsewhere. So this is a warning sign. Option 3 is correct answer. Option 4, my mole is itchy and the border is have become uneven with a blackish to bluish color. What is that? A change or obvious change in a wart or mole. That is a warning sign. So here option 4 is a correct statement. Option 5, recently I have noticed that my bowel movements appear black. Yeah, a change in bowel or bladder habits. That also should further investigate because it indicates something related to the warning sign. Our answers are option 3, 4 and 5. I hope it's clear to you. Please study nicely. You might have expected some questions definitely from the area of cancer or the cancer topics. It might be like lymphoma or AML or ALL or some of the skin cancers or anything it can be. But you can expect some question from this area, oncology. So please study thoroughly, and we'll discuss some other topic on the next video. Bye bye.